mugs, as you can see, has a face of a human.
When a honeybee sits on a flower for collecting nectar,
the lithosphere forms the outer layer of Earth.
This was the chemical reaction between vinegar and baking soda.
Hi, I'm Sanchari Day, and I'm thrilled to welcome your child to the Fuel Video Lab. After all, they are now part of a revolutionary learning approach that's growing rapidly across the world.
It's very fun to make the videos and learn the new concepts.
Their experience was very good for our creation and our teamwork.
And it is useful for some project and assignments.
Something which is very futuristic, it is very child friendly, and it brings out the best in the child.
Video making is actually a great skill to help children summarize the topic.
Fuel is the country's first of its kind project-based learning platform that makes academics engaging and appetizing for the students. Here, kids go beyond rote learning and demonstrate their understanding through powerful academic video projects. The end result? Students get more immersed in the learning process, which leads to better grades and development of real-world skills. Now, isn't that a win-win for everyone? The Fuel Video Lab is aligned to your child's curriculum and a part of the school's timetable. The platform comes to life for the child in two ways, in school and at home. In the Video Lab, at school, your child engages in 8 collaborative projects where they work in groups to understand concepts better and also learn teamwork. The same platform can be accessed at home for revision and homework assignments. Students are expected to work on 12 projects throughout the year, which are allocated and graded by their subject teachers. Tell me and I forget. Teach me and I may remember, but involve me and I will learn. There's great wisdom in these words because it reminds us that we truly learn something when we practically do it, instead of just reading or listening about it. Let's see how Video Lab students go about learning a typical scientific concept like types of motion in a practical way where they are having fun and at the same time absorbing the concept for life.
Did you know Michael Jackson's moonwalk, spin and the robot can be used to learn physics?
Wow!
My team is super excited to show you the types of motions. This is periodic motion. It is rectilinear motion.
This might surprise some of you, but studies show that close to 40% of the engineering pass-outs today are unemployable. The reason? Insufficient real-world skills like communication skills, problem solving, and teamwork, which are a must in today's time. Hence, with our project-based learning approach, our mission at Fuel is to support schools in making learning as practical and real-world as possible, right from the foundational stages. For instance, imagine learning math concepts through a visit to their local supermarket. Their English project could be a news report or Shark Tank pitch. Or like we saw earlier, instead of just memorizing a theoretical concept like types of motion, students connect it with Michael Jackson's moonwalk and other things in their daily life.
when rotating, which is the example of circular motion.
The other type of motion is random motion. Look the way they are running any direction. See how the girls are sliding. This is the example of linear motion.
Basically, here the difference is that students go beyond books, do their research, come up with their own ideas, and then present their learnings in the form of an interesting video project. In the process, students not only enjoy the learning process but also develop multiple 21st century skills like communication, public speaking, and camera confidence, also critical thinking and problem solving, ideation, imagination, and creative thinking, teamwork and social skills, and also media and tech literacy. All in all, students start growing in a holistic way and get more involved in their academic journey. Several studies prove that when students engage in project-based learning, it has a direct impact on their academic performance. Take the research conducted by the prestigious Michigan State University, where it was found that a project-based learning approach led to a 63% improvement in results. When students understand the fundamental concepts, they start seeing a purpose to their academics. They will be self-motivated to learn, and slowly their grades start improving. Then studying is no longer hard work, it becomes joyful. The Fuel package comes with 2 project-based learning textbooks, the Fuel Learning platform, 2 apps for creating video projects in a hassle-free way, access to the school's video club for special mentorship, chance to showcase their talent at a national level video Olympiad, online workshops and masterclasses by industry experts. In the near future, they will also be able to use the platform to solve puzzles, take quizzes, engage in series of drills, all to enhance their academic understanding. The way we see it, technology is an effective tool that can help students unlock their potential. We cannot escape it. But just like a sharp knife, we can learn to use it wisely and channelize it for good. Hence, each of these projects is designed with a minimum screen time system. This system ensures that 70 to 80% of the entire project time goes into non-screen activities like subject research, ideation, scripting, and shoot planning. The remaining 20 to 30% of the time, which is the shoot and edit stage, is the only part where screen time comes in. And with just 2 projects a month, it's hardly 3 to 4 hours of screen time a month. I'm sure many of you might have more questions in your mind regarding how to use the platform, the books, the app, and so on. Rest assured, your school will be able to assist you on further queries. But in case you need more clarity, please feel free to connect with us on the below details and we will be happy to help. Once again, we are thrilled to have your child with us on this exciting journey of project-based learning through video creation. This is Sanchari Day signing off for now. All the best and happy creating.